Hey guys, my name is Chloe B, and once again, welcome back to my channel. I think today we are actually going to try an eyeshadow look, so stay tuned. Today we are going to attempt a concealer only makeup look. Don't really have the right colors, so I'm hoping I can mix and match and come up with something that looks close enough. Like I've seen y'all talking about the girls whose neck don't match their face, and I can't be one of those. So I'm going to start off using this e.l.f. tone adjusting primer, and it's kind of the only one that I have. So we're going to make magic. That's what we're going to call this one, magic. I'm not really about to do an entire face of makeup. I might hit them under eyes because, you know, it be showing that I'm a mom now. And, yeah, I think that's probably going to be the only part. Well, no, I think that's going to be it. Okay, maybe a little on my chin. Just because I have moments where I want to highlight everywhere because I'm trying to learn how to do this thing the right way. All right, fine, forehead too. Dang, that was a lot. I think I'm gonna try the calamine, whatever the itchy lotion. That's what my mom used to use on me when I would break out in hives. I'm gonna try that because I heard it gives you a matte makeup look, and that's what I'm interested in. I want to look like a matte baby doll. So. All right, word of the wise, start with the eyes. Let's go. All right, I did go ahead and wax my eyebrows yesterday, so, you know, they're kind of perfect. No, not really, they're cousins, but they're close enough. So we're gonna go ahead, give them a good old brush, wake them up. You know, recording is actually really hard because I have to learn to look at the camera and not at myself. So, it's okay. We gonna get there. I'm gonna have my nice little backdrop that I'm gonna DIY and everything. I might take y'all along for that journey too. But anyways, handy dandy LA Girl Pro Concealer. We are going to use Toffee and Espresso. Once again, I know these aren't the right colors, so don't come for me. I'm going to use... I need to brush. I got a handy dandy, and this one is called Old Reliable. This one is called Old Reliable because it was my mom's makeup brush. And they don't even, well, the ones that I like, they don't even make them to spin anymore. So I'm gonna hang on to this bad boy as long as it hangs on to me. But with handy dandy, we are going to use Espresso on the beginning of the brow and the end of the brow. And along the end of the eyebrow, I'm gonna go ahead and start creating that line. Drag it on down. Y'all have to excuse the cartoon. 99.9% of the time, y'all gonna hear some cartoons. Cause Susie ain't gonna act right otherwise. And y'all know who Susie is. It's the person that was in the video in the pink hat. Handy dandy really isn't as thin, but it's not just a thick brush either. So it works, I think. We ain't finished yet, so I can't really say. That's closure, needed someone to hold, but we both had our own moves. All right, so we can see the clear color difference, but that's okay because we're gonna do eyeshadow. So once again, judge your mama, not me, I don't care. Going in with Old Reliable. I don't have much of Toffee right now. I gotta make one big beauty supply store run, so I'll probably do a haul. I don't know, we'll see. Ooh, all right. A dab will do you. That's what my sister's kindergarten teacher told her. Shout out to Miss Lindsay. And I decided to put Toffee in the middle because I wanted to create like a blend of them. I didn't just want it to be bright all the way across. if that makes sense. If it don't work, you know, I'm just gonna have to fix it Felix a little bit later. But yeah, we're gonna drag that down because it's gonna be a base for whatever eyeshadow we do throw on today. I'm done applying the concealer on both eyes, so now we're just gonna give it a nice little blend in. My eyes are, you know, a little small when it comes to the amount of working room that I have right there. So, you just gotta make the best of what you can. Girls with wide eyelids, you know, you're God's favorite. It's okay. Right? All right, so I think that is gonna work for as far as the transitioning. Well, not in its entirety because I kind of need just a little darkness. It's fall. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. So I'm going to brush really light on the outskirts. Take that same brush. I ain't putting no product on it. We're just gonna go back and work it all back together. Alright, so I can stop here. You know what? Why not? I haven't done it in years. Well, I'll take that back. I did it at my baby shower. Go ahead and give me a base. I need this a little bit closer. Now, I used to love cut creasing and all that good stuff. Not really sure why I fell out with it to begin with. Because, I mean, the girls that get it, they get it. You feel like a baddie. I really forgot where my line goes, so let me blink. Alright, so I'm not far off. Don't care if you want this. Being honest, I don't know what I want. And you don't belong to me. You were never mine before. So it doesn't need to be something more. I'll be on my way. So, yeah, I think that's all right. Now, on that end of where the concealer is, I'm going to pat. Because this might end up being the final product. I don't know yet. So this is where some fixing is gonna come in handy. I need to concentrate. Not gonna be much talking right now. I think see what y'all get today. So here it is. Now let's move on to the concealer face part that may go left and it may go right. Once again, a disclaimer: if this makeup look ends up with me looking like Michael Jackson saying, "Annie, are you okay?" I know I got the wrong colors. I tried to mix it. We're gonna see how well I mixed it. Put my little mix. And we are going to pat it in. Yeah, we'll do that when we are technically doing it the political. We're also lacking the loose setting powder that is supposed to be my skin tone. So, you know, I only have transparent. We're going to make it work. This is your skin complexion, then this tutorial is for you. But this tutorial I turned into Fix It Felix because I gotta figure out how to make this presentable. Because the video can't end terribly. It can't. Alright, so let me go do a flash test. You know what? Flash? No, that ain't gonna work. Alright, after the flash test, you know, it ain't horrible. It ain't great though. I know I said we was just gonna do concealer, but baby, the colors is not coloring, so we gotta add a foundation in here. Specifically right here where that line might be at. And you don't belong to me, so you don't have to let me go. Yeah, so I know it's the wrong color, you know it's the wrong color. Yeah, so we're going to stop this here and we are going to do our lip. All right, and then I have a lip by Mana. This is in the shade Classy. And I'm gonna go in with my Mary Kay in the shade Sugarberry. And then I am going to take this lip gloss by Lorac in the shade Angel. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and add the Old Fashioned Beauty Supply lip gloss on top, and we're gonna wrap it up. Don't be gentle when you're using it, especially if you didn't do your makeup properly like this girl. For those of you new to my channel, thank you so much for coming, and I hope you like it here because you're stuck. For those returning each week, I greatly appreciate you for staying tuned for my weekly uploads. Just drop a comment below if you guys have anything that you would like to see. If you like this look, you can let me know. If you didn't like this look, you can tell me that too. If you want to tell me that this ain't the right color, keep that comment because I know. Don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss my weekly uploads, and you want to stay in tune with everything. Make sure you're up to date. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you next week.